freeway, 4.9. I don't know how we passed the Flamingo exit so fast, being stuck.
We passed that a long time ago.
I did not even notice.
I just thought you were getting more stroke footage. Same thing.
Turn right half a mile. Turn right at 900 feet. Is it this one?
I think so.
No. Got it. Notification emails.
Trump won Pennsylvania.
Oh my goodness, you're getting election updates. Oh my gosh. This must be so stressful. I can't even think about that right now.
At dinner, you got a notification that the Republicans took the Senate.
I don't even know really what that means.
They have a 51 to 40, at least a 51 member majority, so they control the Senate. It's turning out kind of opposite of what I was hoping for, but that's my own personal problem.
Oh, my exit is Flamingo Road. That is the hotel. Wow, here comes these stupid high winds again. Yeah, 2.4 miles to Flamingo Road. That lady was so stupid, trying to sell us photographs for $15. You should have told us that there's a fee before you take the picture.
It's like the amusement parks, they'll do the same thing. As you leave the rides, they'll take pictures, and while you're taking the ride, they'll take pictures and try to sell it to you. Sell it to you as you exit the ride.
Yeah, and in this day and age when everyone has a cell phone that is probably almost as good as quality as the camera that she used.